Randy here again with a 1984 Chevrolet truck. I just want to show you the interior that we assisted on producing products and actually helped with a little bit of the installation. So right here up top or whatever, of course, is our 81 to 87 dash pad that we have dyed to the factory color. This is the dark saddle color that you'll see listed on our website. This beautiful reproduction dash here, we sell both ways. This one is the one with the aluminum face already installed on it, so we assisted in putting this in. You can see how everything looks real nice. The AC vents we supplied, the dash molding in the dash pad there is also a product of ours. Gonna move to the door panels that we have here. This is our Silverado level door panels for 81 to 87 in the saddle tan color. All of these products are produced by us. This customer decided to go with a two-tone interior, so he's got the dark saddle lower door panel carpet along with our new reproduction door panel molding that's in stainless steel that splits the two right here. So I'm gonna move out so you can see. So the customer also has a matching headliner. The seat cover was already done by a local upholstery shop, so it's not one of our seat covers, but they did a nice job on that for him. Our seat belts that we sell for these 81 to 87 trucks installed. So that's pretty much our entire interior package installed into a 1984 Chevrolet truck from USA1 Industries. Thanks.